Hi everyone, this is Cosmica with Hazel Witch on Instagram, and today I welcome you to this reading. Thank you for clicking onto this video. This is about why do people admire you? Okay, why do people admire you? You can click in the timestamps down below. By the way, this is my new setup. Tell me if you like it. Okay, I'm trying my best to set up. So yeah, the times are in the description down below. Be sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Okay, bye bye. Hi guys, whoever chose pile 1, so this is your reading. Let me get your cards out. Get this first. So 2 of swords, Ace of swords, 8 of pentacles, and here we have divine feminine. Ooh, that's a whole package. Chinnamastaka. Okay, pyrite, it's good, and we have expression. So right away what I'm seeing over here is that you are an amazing communicator. Okay, like you are very good at debates. Like you just rock at it. Okay, you are very good at debates. If like no one can stand beside, like no one can stand before you in debates. Like you are so good at it. You are cutthroat, honest, truthful, and very I don't know how to say, you are very hardworking person, as you can see with this. But you may have also a sweet voice, so you can be a singer, or can also be, you have a lot of air sign. Okay, you have a very entrepreneurial energy, like you can sell anyone anything, that kind of vibe. Right, so you can sell anyone anything. You are very good at expressing yourself. Even right now, if you feel like you are not good at expressing yourself, then trust me, you are. Okay, so you are very good at making decisions. Mostly people come to you for advice. They want to take advice from you because you are so good at it. They just trust you. People just trust you somehow. Like they know you are very talented, very how to say, very knowledgeable person, and they can get the right advice from you. So what I'm seeing here, see, this is the card of entrepreneurship, pyrite. So you are going to be, if you are not right now earning money, or if you are not at that age, then you will be earning money, and most probably you are going to be in any product management department, or anything that makes you sell things to people. Like you are very good at it. You are like amazingly good at it. So if you do that kind of job, it will benefit you. Okay, you are very cutthroat, very straightforward. You just when to limits, boundaries, everything, right? So people trust you a lot. Even with that, you have a divine feminine presence in you. Like even when you are a cutthroat person, like even when you shout at people, like you necessarily don't shout at people. You are like, you talk to them in a very polite manner, and they just like you. This Mercury retrograde, oh my god. Okay, so what happens is, if you say mean things to them in a polite manner, they can't blame you, right? So you are like that. They can't blame you because you say right things in a polite manner, and it just you are very good at expressing yourself. If some of you become lawyer, okay, just a suggestion, if some of you become lawyers, You are very good at business. Money making just comes naturally to you. People may come to you for advice in different topics, like different topics. It can be from money making to, oh, you can also be a financial advisor. Okay, so you have a very good skill of money management, or there is something about your voice that just makes people go crazy, you know. There is some femininity, or what is that called, it's not like very harsh, but it's not so soft. It's like in the middle, but it's very beautiful sounding, right? So you are very good at expressing yourself. You have a very high vibing entrepreneurial energy. You have this divine feminine aura about you. You can be a divine feminine, okay? Your masculine and feminine are very much balanced. You are very good at balancing things out, okay? You are very good at taking the middle way. Like, you are good at convincing people how to take the middle way. As this card shows me that you will be a self-made person, and people like this about you, that you don't depend on others. You are very independent, and you only depend on yourself when making any decisions or like anything in life. So that is a very good quality that you have. Also, you are a bringer of change, okay? So you don't tolerate people. You have that motherly energy who will like cut you off if you mess with their child, right? So that kind of energy you have. Very high vibing energy, to be honest. Another thing I'm seeing, you can be probably a air sign or an earth sign, because that's what we got, air sign most probably. And what I'm seeing here, okay, the turquoise is catching my eye a lot, so I want to say you something. Are you seeing the color turquoise or the stone turquoise everywhere? If you are seeing that, then I will like you to do some research on it, or you can actually buy it, because it will be good for you if you're having communication problems right now, or problems in making decisions, or you know, having just problems about your throat chakra. God, my English. So yeah, if you are having any throat chakra issues, it's gonna solve that. Like, this is very good. Stone, I have used it, it's amazing. Pyrite also, your favorite color can be gold, or you can be very much drawn to gold, okay? This is also called fool's gold. A pyrite is also called fool's gold. So yeah, you may be attracted towards the color golden. You are a very good advisor, and people look up to you. For some reason, I'm seeing that your hair has something like, your hair can be different than others, okay? It's maybe not for all of you, but for some of you, your hair makes you recognizable, okay? There is something about your eyes. They are not judgmental. Your eyes are not judgmental. Your eyes only see the truth and bring out the truth in others. Also, you are very focused. If you want to get success in one thing, then you will get it, no matter how. Just you need to keep persevering, if that makes sense. You need to keep persevering through all the thick and thins, because you may have an habit like, you are good about giving advices to others, but maybe you don't follow your advices on your own. Like, you don't follow your own advices. So I will say, practice what you preach, right? So take your own advices, just sometimes write down your own advices, see them. It will be working greatly when you need something, okay? So your advices are very valuable. If you are very indecisive right now, if you are at a position of like a dilemma, then everything is going to get better within a month or two, okay? Within a month or two, everything is going to get better. But this card is attracting me a lot. So Chinnamastaka is a very furious card, okay? So okay, I did not want to say literally cutthroat, but it's like that only. You are very straightforward. You just stand up for everyone. You may have a stand for LGBTQ community also. For some of you, I'm seeing that it's not for all of you, but you may have a stand for them also. You have a very strong root chakra. Okay, you have a very strong root chakra. Ground yourself. If you are not grounded right now, because your throat chakra is very active, but you may not be grounded, so please ground yourself. Go to nature if you want, like, or do meditate, because you have severe anger issues. If that concerns you, then do some meditation. And like, I know meditation can be said as it's too much, maybe I can't do meditation, people tell me. So yeah, it happens at first, but then when you continue doing it, there are a lot of guided meditations on YouTube. Try it. So yeah, that's good. With the moonstone card, I am seeing that this new moon or full moon, I am filming this on the new moon, so I'll be posting this on the new moon. Then this new moon is going to bring a lot of changes in your communication, in your decision making. Everything will change after this new moon. Okay, this new moon is going to like start it. It's going to initiate that fire, light up that thing in you. Okay, I am seeing you will be shining very bright. You already shine very bright. You may not understand your own abilities, but other people really understand your abilities. So your friends may be telling you, like, they come to advice for you, and when you need advice, you are like, whom do I go advice for? Like, where will I go? So that kind of vibe. It's a very amazing pile, to be honest. Okay, focus on your career right now. If you are pursuing any studies, or if you are in law or product management or financial department, then amazing for you. You are very good at it. So if you are a music producer or musician or singer, that is also good. So you have a natural ability to mold people, you know, with your voice. Your voice has something, your accent, your voice has something to do with your personality. So you're like, your voice can be like an angel. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm getting. If you resonate with this reading, please comment down below. I'll be really happy. And please tell me if you like the setup or not. I will improve it a little more, but right now it's night, so I'm filming it. I'll be improving a little more. Okay, so bye bye, take care. Hello guys, whoever chose pile 2, this is your reading. So I will start with this one. I'll get this one at the last. I'm keeping it aside. Let's start with your Rider-Waite. Okay, 3 of Swords, 3 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. That's nice. That's nice. The other cards are Angel of Purification, Angel of Love, okay, Angel of Health, Wealth and Happiness. Very good. Seems like a whole package. Okay, so firstly, number 3 can be important for you. Okay, number 3 can be very important. It can be your life path, or just what is coming right away from to my mind is that you are very creative. You are a very creative person. You win people's heart very easily. Like, people may call you, you stole my heart, that kind of, like, you have a very extrovert energy. Okay, even if you are hurt, you don't show people that you are hurt, right? So you are you can say you are very strong. You are very strong inside. People may say that you are too extrovert, you love partying and all that. You may have this, that, you know, just what people say. But you have a very, very kind heart. Very kind heart. As I got the Angel of Love, which with this stone, this is a very true card because I see you I see you giving lot of love to people. You are very pure at heart, you are very childlike, very pure, but you are an old soul. You know what that means? It means that even if you, like, even if you are a teen, or even if you are, your age is like 25, 26, you are still like a child at heart, but you are an old soul. Okay, so people, in the first pile also we got a message like people come to advise for you. So yeah, you are a secret keeper of the people, so people tell their secrets to you and you have to keep it. Okay, I see you attracting a lot of luck and fortune towards you. Some of you can be Sagittarius, but that's just me saying. Okay, your Mercury can be in Cancer and your Mercury can be in a water sign. Okay, that's just for that doesn't have to be. Okay, I'm saying that you will be very fortunate. People think that you are very happy go lucky type of energy, very much very sunshine, very outgoing, very good in nature type of. Some people have a perception about you that you are a heartbreaker. Some people think that because they don't know you. Okay, this line is just standing out to me, like, are you searching for more love in your life? Look within yourself. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. If you may have a habit of wanting validation from other people, I will just tell you that you don't need any validation from anyone. You are amazing. You are like, you are just amazing. Okay, you don't need validation from anyone. Your friends can be very supportive, and if you are, I don't see you being so introverted. I see you like very cheery personality. You motivate people. You are the kind of person who doesn't accept anything less than what they want, like never settle type of energy. That is very, very amazing energy. You have such a pure soul. I will say that you may have a wolf as a spirit guide. Okay, for some of you, you may have a wolf spirit guide, or you have been seeing a lot of wolf recently. Jade shows me that you have been attracting a lot of good health, money and peace in your life. Okay, Kuzanite shows me Kunzite, sorry, the Mercury retrograde is killing me. So embrace the love that resides within you. See within yourself the love that resides within you. People see that you are so cheerful, you just love life. Okay, you have a very positive attitude towards life and people love that. People get so much inspiration and motivation from you, like you don't even know those people who get so much motivation from you, that kind of vibe. So people are very attracted towards you like a magnet, and they feel you are such a pure soul, you are not going to mistreat them. Okay, you cannot break their heart, that can be one thing. Okay, but some people may think you are a heartbreaker because you can be very beautiful. Okay, your physical features can be very prominent and beautiful. Okay, I will bring out the next card. By the way, one thing I'm seeing here with the Wheel of Fortune and this Jade also speaks to me about wealth. So you will be very prosperous in life, and people know that. Okay, people know that shit. You will be very prosperous in life. They don't have any question about that. If you question that, don't. Okay, this is your sign. You are very friendly kind of person. You are always there for people who needs you, and your pure personality just attracts people. Okay, you have a childlike glee, as I told you. Your pure personality just attracts people, attracts so many people. So your yogic card was Santosha. Oh my god, this card is so beautiful. I just keep looking at this. So this is also clarifying me that you are a person who is very happy go lucky kind of person. You don't worry that much about the future. Like, you do worry about future, but since you got into spirituality and everything, tarot cards reading and all, from then you have become a lot of positive. Okay, you are a very good manifester, by the way. Oh my god, you are a very good manifester, and you have lots of skills. You are very talented and creative. Okay, if people give you work for organizing, like organizing their marriage, or I'm just giving an example. Okay, organize a party for them, organize something, like you will be the best at it. You have such a high achieving personality. It's very nice, it's very nice. You are a very happy go lucky person, and you always look upwards towards the future and to make everything better. Like, you won't ever settle for less. That's a surety I'm giving you, and that's amazing that you don't settle for less. Okay, that's the best quality in you. I am seeing that people see that you are one of a kind. There is no one compared to you in their life, and no one compared to you ever born. They have that kind of feeling. Okay, you can be very much attracted to mountains, or you want to go in snow for some reason. I just got that, I don't know. Your aura can be green, magenta, oh my god, please excuse my language. Yeah, your aura can be green or this color or yellow. Okay, your aura is very beautiful. You have a healing nature, you have a healing vibe about yourself. It's very beautiful. It's just very beautiful. You are physically also very attractive, very very attractive. There's something about your face. It's just attractive. Okay, there's something about your figure, upper body, it's very attractive. Okay, so yeah, that was your reading. Tell me if you enjoyed the reading and if you resonated with it. Please let me know in the comments down below. I'll be really happy to know that. And this is my setup, by the way. I can't show you properly right now, but I will sorry, make a reel. Okay, so yeah, thank you, bye bye. Hi everyone who chose pile 3. This is your reading. So I will start with this cards first. Let's check out your cards. We have 2 of cups. Wow. We have Ace of Cups. Amazing. We have Knight of Wands. Okay, right off the bat, you are very attractive, very passionate. You have a very kind soul. You are so much more than you realize. Okay, you are so much more than you realize. By the way, one thing I'm getting right away is that you can be very good at flirting, so people just love that about you. You are very adventurous, and you have, like, you would do anything for your goal. Okay, you would do anything for the person you love, and people know that you will go to lengths for them, like huge lengths for them. Next card is citrine, aquamarine, and emerald. Okay, good cards. Citrine tells me with this one and this one, citrine. Okay, with all the cards, citrine tells me that you are very very confident. You are very very straightforward, very confident, and as I told you, you will go to any lengths to achieve, like, you would go to any lengths for the person you love or for the thing you love. Okay, you are very passionate person, and that is just an amazing quality about you. The way you love people, your love language can be touching. Okay, your love language can be touching, or it can also be like traveling together, being on a trip. Your love language can be that. Okay, I'm seeing that people see like okay, I'm very fortunate, so people may think that you are very fortunate, okay, or you have a vibe like that, that you are very fortunate, you are so confident. People may think that you are very amazing type of person uh, who can actually make everyone happy, or who can actually make everyone fall in love with them. That kind of vibe I'm seeing. The all the three piles were so amazing, just so amazing, I can't explain. Okay, emotional balance. Okay, with this I see that people right now, you can be a bit imbalanced emotionally, because I see water flowing. uh, but one thing for sure is, here it is 2, so 2 means balance. um, you have a lot of balance in you, okay. Right now your life may feel a bit imbalanced, but you have a lot of balance in you. People come to you, and you help people to get back in track, okay. I just got that kind of vibe. You help people to get back in track. My god. Yeah. So I'm saying that you will be very prosperous in your life, like this is no scam. Okay, you will be very prosperous in your life. People may get that vibe from you very straight away. You have a very forward moving energy, okay. You have a very forward moving energy, very sharp energy. I don't know why I'm saying sharp, but it's very sharp yet so soft and sharp, if that makes sense. So you have a very soft vibe about you. You can be girl or boy or whatever, but the thing here isn't that. It's about the divine feminine inside you, okay. You can be girl, boy, or anything beautiful in between, but the divine feminine inside you is so strong, so strong. In pile 1 also, there was just like a card of divine feminine, literally. So I'm seeing that you have a lot to offer to people, and people love that about you. Like, you are so kind, so kind and generous kind of person. You love to hang around with people, you love to play, you love to, like, people just gets easily attracted to you. You have a magnetic vibe about you, okay. You have a magnetic vibe about you. You can be very sexually attractive, physically attractive, and I am seeing that you are very honest towards the people you love, and no matter what, you never give up on them, okay. You never give up on the person you love. People admire this thing about you so much. Like, they see you have a lot of potential, but you can do anything for the person you love. Like, you can even leave everything for the person you love, okay. So that is a good quality, but I will tell you to like balance everything. You know, you are a very good example of balancing things, so you will balance well, I know, but it's just I had to say it, okay. I will see the next card. Okay, Atma. Okay, oh my god, see the artwork, this is so beautiful. Okay, for some of you, I am seeing right off the bat, your third eye is getting active, okay. Your third eye is getting active very much. Some of you may have seen ghosts sometime. I don't know why I'm saying this, but some of you may have seen ghosts or spirits, okay. What I'm seeing here with the Atma card is that you are very in sync with your soul. You are very in sync with your soul purpose. You are a very loving energy. You can have a water sign or a fire sign, okay, or a balance of both. I see you as a very evolved soul who is very lovable, very who helps people, who heals people, that kind of energy. It's very beautiful energy, to be honest. It's a very beautiful energy. This Atma card tells me that you help people get into the track, as I told you with this card. So amazing, just amazing. Okay, I'm seeing that you have a very serious vibe about you, even if you don't see that, like serious but soft. It is like a beautiful combination. Like anything from my mouth is coming like beautiful. Beautiful is the word for you. Okay, people see your heart, your mind, your soul is very, very beautiful and pure. Okay, so I am seeing with the Atma card that you are a believer. You believe in the universe, you believe in yourself, and you also believe in the other person you are in love with, because you know you are in sync with the universe. You have such a great vibe about you. Okay, with that Knight of Wands, I'm seeing that your passion, your love, you have a very high sexual drive. Okay, this is for like maybe few of you, but you have a very high sexual drive, and you are just amazing. Okay, you are just amazing. So yeah, that was your reading. Please tell me if you resonated with it. I will be really happy to know that. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be really happy. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.